Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome to my channel, my lovely friends, as I continue on my tips and strategies of online marketing and more. Okie dokie. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm just going to give you a little skinny who I am. I am 60 years old. I'm from the west coast of British Columbia, Canada, as you can see, from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada, to be exact. I'm an online marketer, digital marketing, as well as an entrepreneur, and I have been for the past 2 years. Because for many, many years, my lovely friends, I always worked outside into the different areas of different variety of work. I was Orange Julius, it was McDonald's, worked in a department store, I worked in a jewelry store, you name it. I had all kinds of work because I basically worked in the college of life. I didn't really go to college. I basically earned, shall we say, my skills through the jobs I had over the past over 35 years. Now, fast forward to the past little while, I would say the craziest job I actually had was I worked as a sheet metal worker in a sheet metal shop. And then, of course, the job that I really got a hankering for was when I worked in the office in the West Vancouver with my sister Vicky, and we did direct marketing, and that's when I got the taste of the passion that I wanted to work online. Fast forward to a few years later, the office closed down, so I hadn't worked for a little while, had some health issues. But about 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago, I decided that I wanted to work online. I wasn't having any luck getting some decent work, and financial issues as they were, I said, you know what? You always need to strive to do better for yourself, right? And so I knew that online was where it should be. I wanted to work online, I wanted to work at home, I wanted to set my own hours, like the laptop lifestyle, and really go. And I could work anywhere I could go, on a laptop or on my cell phone, on any device, and that's what I started. I decided to work online. I sold about $3,500 worth of jewelry, and I started. Now, it's been some ups and downs, some ins and outs, shall we say. Work was plentiful, work was not plentiful. I lost a lot of money and I gained some money, but about 3.5 months ago, a little over almost 4 months ago, I started with a new platform, an excellent platform called Successful Solution Method, and it is what I'm sharing with you today. I'm going to give you a little bit more proof, a little more of a testimonial on my part of how I've started to earn. Because for 2 years, my lovely friends, I wasn't earning a dime. I think the most I earned was maybe 200 at the most with the work I was doing, the platforms I was doing. And I realized I needed to really branch out, and I almost gave up. But then this beautiful community, this beautiful platform came my way, because it was created by Amanda Rai, a beautiful friend of mine, and she created this beautiful platform because she knew somebody like myself who was struggling working online needed to learn the proper way to earn an income online, or build your business, which you are your own business. You are the person you need to build up, right? Through your Facebook platform. And this is what I did. And believe it or not, my lovely friends, I'm going to share you some testimonials that I have actually earned. About $3,865 all in told, and more to come. And a lot of our members in our community are really earning, because this is a task-based platform task-based educational platform where you're earning, where you're learning. You're learning some needed skills, and you're also earning a small, shall we say, a residual income, as well as we have our traffic packages, which help us earn even more. And this is an excellent platform. I'm happy I'm a part of it. I love the membership. I love the beautiful community. It's really helped me. So today I'm going to share more about testimonial. So in the next segment, my lovely friends, stay to the end. I have some wonderful information and proof to share with you as well. You're going to enjoy it. I hope yes, you will. You're going to enjoy it. So don't forget that this is going to be fun, it's going to be enjoyable, and I'm going to go to the next segment. So let's get on to the next segment so I can give you some needed proof as I share with you my PayPal, as well as our Facebook group, and some wonderful members that are really on fire with this beautiful income producing, wonderful task-based platform that I'm glad I'm a part of now. So let's carry on to the next segment, shall we? Hello, I'm back. Christine Trainer back. Of course, continuing with my tips and strategies of online marketing. And of course, today, as I go inclusive, sort of an all-proof testimonial about how I'm doing in Successful Solution Method and the income I'm learning on this beautiful digital marketing educational platform. that a lot of our members are doing. We're going to go in depth. I'm going to go to my PayPal account as well as to my Facebook group, as well as a couple of members who are doing really well. They shared their proof on their page as well. And I really wanted to share that with you because a lot of people think that maybe a successful solution method may be a scam. And I kid you not, it's not a scam, because I myself, for 2 years, like I shared before, had not done very well. But believe it or not, it's been like almost 4 months now, and I've earned at least 38.65 altogether. And I'm proud of myself for doing that, because I hadn't earned a dime in 2 years working online. But it was this beautiful platform, my lovely friends, with this excellent educational platform, educational digital, shall we say, task-based platform, which you work on tasks on a daily basis to earn a decent income online, learning to build your business, which is ourselves, which we are our own brand. You start to earn an income because you're doing income producing activities, which are our tasks on a daily basis. And I really want to share that with you, because I feel like sometimes, my lovely friends, people don't really understand until they see the real proof. And so today I'm showing you some proof. Okay. And some of my members who are members who are doing that. We have some members that are just on fire. They're doing fantastic because they're really learning. Because remember, in this beautiful world of direct marketing, or shall we say digital marketing or online marketing, it is the key, right? If you want to earn an income online, you have to really, really get, shall we say, into a decent program that's going to help you. It's going to help you build your business online. It's going to help you, especially on your Facebook profile, because a lot of people don't think they can, but you can earn on your Facebook profile. You can. Yes, you can. So let me get on to my PayPal account so I can share this with you, my lovely friends. So I'm going to share my screen here. It's my PayPal account. There we go. This is my PayPal account. Okay. Now I'm just giving you the past 30 days, right? So we're going to go to payments received. Okay. Now Amanda Rai is the creator, so she's the one where I get the income from. But it's amazing. So we're going to the last 90 days because it has been, you know, I think before that as well. Down. Let me see. I might have to do, I'll just do a different date here because it's basically, I'll say 220, okay? Because sometimes have had quite a few payments. Okay, so I started my first payment on June 27th. Amanda Rai, it was 350, okay? Now we're going to continue on to July 3rd, 250, very consistent. July 17th, 450, very good payments. July 24th, 200. August 1st, 500. August 14th, 550. August 22nd, 200. August 29th, 450. September the 11th, 315, and September 19th, 600. Excellent, excellent. Why do I say that? Is because I'll be getting some income soon as well, but I just wanted to share that with you now. And all told together, this is 3,865, shall we say, and of course 56 cents. And that is an excellent income for somebody like myself who are just still fairly new into the marketing world. And remember this, attraction marketing is the key. Digital marketing is the key. Video marketing is the key. And we get all this beautiful training from this program, Successful Solution Method, created by Amanda Rai, knowing that somebody like myself who's struggling online. And now I'm starting to earn an income. And believe it or not, from June 27th to now, which is basically 3 months, for me anyways, I've earned this income. I did it a little over 3.5 months because I had to really learn some needed skills, and then I started to earn, okay? I think I started right at the beginning of, I do believe the beginning of the middle of June, I think I started, or actually it's been around for a while, but I had to learn some needed skills. And then when I started to apply the trainings, apply what I learned in her trainings, which are amazing, I started to earn an income. And this is what has been happening to me for the past little while. And I want to really share that with you. The more skills you learn in this wonderful, shall we say, in this wonderful platform, the more income you will, basically income producing activities are activities you're doing, tasks you're doing on a daily basis to help build your business online. So it's perfect. Okay. And I really wanted to share that with you today because some people don't think that they're earning. But I'm going to share with you 2 of our top earners and how they're doing well, and some of the other top earners, because I figure this way, if I share this with you, my lovely friends, you'll see that it is not a scam. I am earning, because I earn through PayPal because I'm Canadian, right? Now I'm going to also go to our Facebook group as well. So let me go to a new share. I want to go to our Facebook group. This is Successful Solution Method. This is our Facebook group. And right off the bat, you will see that somebody already started to earn. These are our wonderful banners. This person earned, this is Cassandra Good. She just received a banner from Amanda saying this, 150, 100, 200. So she $450 right there. She just earned, okay? And there's another person who said, see, he's just commission coming in consistently. There's somebody named Torsten Lawrence. Give me a second. It's a little bit slow, my Facebook page, especially when I'm on. I actually want to go to one of my favorite people. She does really well. Her income is amazing. Let me go to some of our wonderful. I'll go to Daryl Hannell. Daryl Hannell, he's fantastic. He's one of our highest paid members, but he shares income on a daily basis. So let's go to Daryl. He's wonderful. This is his page. I really want to share a few of our wonderful members and how they are earning income, because I want to really, really give this proof that it is not a scam. It is a wonderful income. This is a beautiful. Don't you just love his page? I love his page. I'm going to go down a little further. That's wonderful, Daryl. Let's take a look here. He's sharing as well. Let's take it takes a couple minutes here. He actually shares lots of videos. Here's one of his recent regular posts. 13,537.50 he has actually earned since he started with Successful Solution Method. He's one of the highest paid members. He's also one of our members that is a success coach. He's wonderful. And he had some good days. So he had 700, 1250, 700, 900, 550, 1150, 400, 900, 900. These are some of his commissions that he's earned, which means he has been earning on a regular basis. Okay. Now I'm also going to share with you another one of our wonderful members, Annie Coleman. Actually, yeah, Annie Coleman. She's fantastic as well. We call her our London Queen, and she's amazing. She just, I think, basically 2 months now. I think she's basically been with Successful Solution Method. And let me see if I can. So here, just a little over 2 months, and she's earned. She actually can do Stripe. I don't know why I can't, but I'm trying to get a really good one here where she has actually earned. She shares more. Yeah, she's sharing this right now, that she's earned over 2,000 earned in her sleep. Basically, she's earned quite a bit this past 2 months. Sharing you right now, this is her income: 699, 400, 300, 400, 200, 100. This is all her income she's been paid. Okay, she's been doing Stripe for a while, so she's okay. But some of us who don't, I'm trying to share some more with her. She's one of our we call her the London Queen, so she's wonderful. There's one particular one of our highest paid members, but I want to do the other ones. Alba is one of our wonderful ladies here. I love Alba. Let me share if I can share Alba. Alba Sabada. She's amazing. I love her page. She's one of our members as well, and she earns fairly decent as well. Success is where preparation and opportunity is. That's a beautiful picture here of her Throwback Thursday. But let me see if I can see. 2,450. There you go. That's what she's sharing with you, the 12 commissions she's received so far as she's been with Successful Solution Method. So everybody earns in their own pace, but we're still earning. That's the main key here. We are earning. Shows you right here, 2,900. That's basically how much she basically does earn. This one is amazing. Why I'm sharing this with you is because these are what we're earning in Successful Solution Method. It's an amazing platform. It can really, really, really help you move forward. So my lovely friends, this is the proof in the pudding, so to speak. I really wanted to share this with you today because some people realize they don't really think it's true, but it is. I'm trying to find another person that I really love. I can't find her. She's one of my favorite ladies. Monica, she's Canadian like myself. She's been earning quite a bit. Let's see what she shares today. She's one of our success coaches as well. This is just a quick payment that she already earned the other day. It's just like a day payment, but let's see if she can share her full amount that she has earned as well. Whatever you earn, 500, 600, you are starting to earn, and that's part. All these people are earning in success. 8 weeks, $4,000 she has earned in 8 weeks. She has been with Successful Solution Method. So this is the proof in the pudding, so to speak. So I wanted to share that with you today, my lovely friends. Okay. So I really want to give you an idea that this is a beautiful community, wonderful, Successful Solution Method. It's a beautiful community full of wonderful members. We all earn at our own pace, but we all earn an income in Successful Solution Method because we do our daily tasks every single day. And with our daily tasks, I'm sharing with you one thing. I'm sharing with you, I have earned $3,865, but I'm also getting my engagement up as well. This is another thing that I share as well because it's important to share with you this. I'm going to go back to Successful Solution Method because I want to end it with that, because this is a beautiful community, amazing community, phenomenal community. It's really helped me quite a bit. It's changed so many people's lives. And with Amanda Ryan, who created this, she is a six-figure earner in her own right, and she knew a lot of people were struggling. Newbies, fairly newbies like myself, or even seasoned marketers, struggling just to earn a decent income. Because sometimes people make no more than 500 online. But some people, see, Nadir Ali just earned $50 right there. Okay, it is worth it. Of course, I wanted to really share that with you today. We have more. If I go to my photos, you'll see a lot of people that have earned, but sometimes it's a really slow, my pages when I'm on Zoom here. But I really wanted to get this out to you. Okay, we're going to leave off with our wonderful friend Nadir. $50, $200, $400. You see this variety of income that everybody is earning so far in Successful Solution Method, and it's only just under 4 months old. I also want to share this. We have how many members so far? Let's take a look at the members. That actually shows more so on my cell phone. How much does it say? How many members we have? Let me go back to the beginning. Yeah, so far in this group, we have 6.7 thousand members that have now become part of this group. Okay, and so far, I do believe we have 1,100 and counting in Successful Solution members themselves. And I do believe past, shall we say, little under 4 months, we now have paid out 300,000 in payouts to all our members. And that is amazing, my lovely friends. When you're struggling and you're working online and you want to learn how to brand your business online, how to build yourself online, Successful Solution Method, I believe, is a wonderful approach. It does approaching traffic in a way that works. Let's complete tasks and earn together. I think that's exactly right. We will help you become more successful online with simple income producing activities, daily tasks, which help you build your business online through your Facebook profile. Yes, indeed. So I hope this was value. I hope this helped you, give you some information or good value to understand, good proof that Successful Solution Method is successful. And I love the name, and I love Amanda for creating this as well. So my lovely friends, give me a like and a comment if you're fairly new. Subscribe to my channel, where I have many more tips and strategies for online marketing and beyond to share with you as well. The next little while too. Click the link below, click the bell below for the next notification of my next video too. Plus, I have more information. I have the link to Successful Solution Method down below as well. Come join a community that's going to help you build your business online. Or I also have the Facebook group link down below. Come check it out. Be a part of this group. Learn and understand what Successful Solution Method is all about. And if you're curious about who I am and what I'm all about, I have left my Facebook page link down below as well. And as well, if you want more information, you want to get in touch with me more, I'm here for you as well. I have left my cell phone as well. Drop me a text, and send me some information or some information that you would like to know. Oh, my lovely friends, see you on the other side to success. I love you all, my lovely entrepreneurs. Bye.